We have x squared plus 5x plus 6. Let's try. First, place one big blue square tile for x squared. Next, add 5 blue rectangle tiles for plus 5x. Then, place 6 small blue squares for plus 6. Now, let's arrange them into a rectangle shape. Now, look at the sides. Plus x, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So, all together is x plus 3. Look at next side. Plus x, plus 1, plus 1. All together is x plus 2. So, factors of x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals x plus 3 and x plus 2. So, factors of algebraic expression equals product of both sides of rectangle. Thank you.